Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, today Pioneer Bancorp Inc. PBFs just filed an 8K and I am seeing one interesting appointment that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company announced a new director and this person brings a ton of experience, which is always a good sign for a bank. Alright, let's dive into this filing from Pioneer Bancorp Incorporated. This is a company that is in the banking sector and they operate regionally. They've got a market cap of around $433 million, which is a decent size for a regional bank. Their stock is trading around $17.28. And they have about 265 employees. The main news here is the appointment of Michael T. Keegan to the board of directors. This isn't just any appointment. Mr. Keegan is a big deal in the banking world. He is retired but has over 4 decades of experience. Think about that, 40 years of working his way up in banks, dealing with everything from growing the business to helping communities. He most recently held a very senior position at M&T Bank, where he was in charge of community banking. He was there for 31 years, which shows a lot of loyalty and deep understanding of that bank. He also has some other ventures, being a co-founder of Inmedio Advisors and a partner in innovative microgrid technologies, which suggests he is still quite active and has interest beyond traditional banking. Now, for the important stuff from a governance perspective, the filing states that Mr. Keegan isn't involved in any deals with Pioneer that need to be disclosed, and there are no special handshake agreements about why he was chosen. This means his appointment is straightforward based on his qualifications and experience, not on any complicated side deals. He'll be included in the company's incentive plans. This includes their 2020 equity incentive plan, which allows him to potentially receive stock or stock options. He'll also be part of the Pioneer Bank Board of Trustees, an executive employees deferred compensation plan. These plans are pretty standard for bringing in experienced executives, offering them a stake in the company's success and a way to defer their compensation. This is a really key detail. He is expected to join both the Audit Committee and the Compensation Committee. The Audit Committee is crucial for overseeing financial reporting and ensuring accuracy, which is vital for investor confidence. The Compensation Committee deals with executive pay, so his experience here is valuable for setting fair and effective incentive structures. His involvement in these committees suggests Pioneer is serious about strengthening its governance. Beyond just the main parent company, he is also joining the boards of related entities, Pioneer Bancorp, MHC, and Pioneer Bank National Association. This shows a comprehensive integration into the company's leadership structure across its different parts. The filing also mentions that a press release about this appointment is attached as an exhibit, dated the 23rd of July. This is where they would have formally announced it to the public, likely expanding on the details we're seeing here. This section of the filing is essentially a table of contents for the exhibits. Exhibit 99.1 is the press release we just talked about, and then there is the cover page interactive data file, which is a standard electronic filing requirement. Now, looking at the broader context, Pioneer Bancorp Inc. is a regional bank. Banks like this often thrive on local relationships and a deep understanding of their communities. Bringing in a seasoned executive like Mr. Keegan, especially one with a background in community banking and development, signals that Pioneer is focused on strengthening its core operations and potentially expanding its reach within its markets. His experience at M&T Bank, a much larger institution, could bring valuable insights into scaling operations and managing risk effectively, even for a smaller regional player. What strikes me about this filing is the focus on experienced leadership. While there are no financial tables directly within this 8K to analyze for immediate performance trends, the appointment of a director with such a strong background, particularly someone who is stepping into key committee roles, speaks volumes. It suggests a commitment to good governance and strategic planning. For a company in the financial services sector, trust and stability are paramount, and experienced leadership is a cornerstone of that. His history of community engagement also aligns well with the nature of regional banking, where building strong local ties is often a differentiator. The risk I am watching is how effectively this new leadership expertise will translate into tangible business growth and improved financial performance in the coming quarters. What I'm actually looking for is how his plans for community development and strategic growth will impact the bank's bottom line and market share. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this deep dive helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more. And join our community in the Discord linked below.